Last episode, you turned one string into a row and back. Now the same kind of question for numbers. You have 17 prompts to run and 5 workers to run them, and 17 divided by 5 is 3.4. But you cannot hand a worker 4/10 of a prompt. What you actually want is not one answer, it is two. How many whole prompts each worker gets and how many are left over unassigned. Python has a separate operator for each. 2 slashes is floor division. 17 double slash 5 gives 3. So every worker takes 3 whole prompts and the leftover is thrown away. The percent sign is the other half and it keeps only what floor division threw away. 17% 5 gives 2. The 2 prompts still waiting to be assigned. Together they account for everything. 3 each across 5 workers is 15 plus the 2 left over and you are back to 17. So double slash tells you how many whole ones fit. Percent tells you what could not fit. Let's write it. Line 1 is the 17 prompts. Line 2 is the 5 workers. Line 3 is plain division, the one with the decimal. Line 4 is floor division, the whole number each. And line 5 is the remainder. You run it. Plain division gives 3.4. The answer you cannot hand out. Floor division gives 3, whole prompts each. And the last one gives 2, exactly what is still unassigned. Your turn, type those 5 lines, save it as prompts.py and run it. Then change the 17 to an 18. Everyone still gets 3, but the remainder jumps to 3 because one more prompt is not enough to go around again. Next episode, and, or, and not how to ask 2 questions and get a single answer. See you there.